Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's session we are going to talk about a very important topic in cybersecurity, that is malware and its types. So let's begin. The term malware stands for malicious software. It refers to any software that is intentionally designed to harm a computer or steal information or to perform unwanted activities, all without the user's permission. Malware can be simple enough to just annoy the user or highly complex, capable of stealing sensitive data and sending it to remote servers. So let's understand the major types of malware one by one. First one, it is the adware. So adware is a form of malware used mainly for forced advertising. It redirects web pages or triggers annoying pop-ups that show advertisements. These ads financially benefit the companies behind them, but for the user, they are simply intrusive and distracting. Then we have the spyware. Spyware is installed on a user's system, sometimes with permission, sometimes secretly, to gather personal or sensitive information. It can track the user's browsing habits, monitor cookies, or even record keystrokes like passwords and banking details. Most commonly, spyware gets installed when someone downloads free software from the internet. Then we have the browser hijackers. This type of malicious software comes bundled with free online tools. Once installed, it modifies the browser settings, changes the homepage, or redirects the user to unwanted websites. The user loses control over their own browser experience. Then we have the virus. A virus is a malicious code created to harm a computer. It can detect files, modify data, and occupy system memory, or just replicate itself to slow down system performance. One important point is that a virus cannot activate on its own. It needs human action like clicking an infected file or running an extended program. Viruses can spread through email attachments or USB drives or images, audio files, videos, and much more. Then we have worms. Worms are similar to viruses but more dangerous in one key way. They do not require any human action to spread. They replicate automatically and travel through networks, exploiting weaknesses in operating systems. As worms spread multiply, they consume storage and internet bandwidth, eventually choking the entire network. The next on the list is Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a malicious program that disguises itself as a useful or legitimate application. The user thinks they are downloading something helpful, but in reality, the Trojan installs harmful code. It can manipulate system data, damage the machine, and even create a secret backdoor that allows hackers to control the system remotely. Trojans are often used to create botnets. Botnets are the networks of infected computers known as zombies, all controlled by a central attacker. Unlike viruses or worms, Trojans do not replicate or spread on their own. Then we have the scareware. Scareware tricks users by showing fake warnings like your system is infected or dangerous virus detected. The attacker then urges the user to download a paid version of some so-called security software. But the moment the user clicks download, the actual malware, the scareware, gets installed. It locks the system, blocks important functions, and demands ransom to unlock the machine. So, these were the major types of malware. Understanding them is the first step toward protecting yourself online. So, that was all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.